How to make cinnamon rolls from
America's Test Kitchen Step by Step.
Mix 4¼ cup of flour,
1/2 cup of cornstarch,
1½ tablespoon of salt and 2¼ teaspoon of yeast.
Mix it.
In a separate bowl, add 3/4 cups of milk
and 1/2 cup of sugar. You will also need to add 3 eggs.
Mistakes happen and it is okay.
Add the milk mixture to the flour mixture and mix on the hook setting.
You will need to add 12 tablespoons of butter and put it on medium-low for 6 minutes.
Should look like this.
You will need to knead it now and roll into a ball. After it is shaped into a ball, you will put it in a bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest for 2 or 2½ hours.
For the filling you will need
1½ tablespoons of cinnamon,
4 tablespoons of butter,
Mix if you please.
Roll the dough on a lightly floured surface.
Make sure it is 18 by 18.
Spread out the filling onto the dough, making sure there is 1/2 inch of dough left around the edge.
Now you will need to roll it up, making sure it is nice and tight.
Cut it up, but if you are not using a serrated knife, you need to go slow and try it layer by layer.
Put a buttered saran wrap on top of the cinnamon roll pan and let it sit for an hour, or if you're putting it in the fridge, leave it in for 16 hours to a day at most.
After it rests, take the saran wrap off and you need to bake it for 35 minutes at 350.
You will need to add the cream cheese icing and I will show you the recipe. 1/2 cups of confectionery sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 ounces of cream cheese.
Okay, bye, thank you.